The Exflo car wash mat is a simple and efficient solution that facilitates the safe washing of vehicles. The mat is produced in Poland from a durable and light PVC-coated fabric. Inflatable mat walls make it easier to enter and exit the vehicle. They are equipped with an additional safety valve that will release excess airflow. The use of the mat is comfortable and allows you to effectively collect contaminated water. Additional equipment of the mat with overrun belts increases its life and resistance to mechanical damage. The wastewater generated during washing can be selected with an industrial vacuum cleaner and then poured into a suitable container. After that, the mat can be easily folded and packed. The dimensions of the mat can be adjusted to your needs. Exflo. Think flexible. For more information, visit exflo.pl.